Good morning. I am running out in a minute with the kids. It's like the army comes over as soon as... Don't push. It's not nice.
We got a skeleton.
As soon as they hear me filming, everybody comes up. Okay.
Today I'm going to a birthday party.
We are going to a birthday party.
Not you.
I know, not me.
Not Hunter.
Here.
No, I was saying that to Hunter.
Sit. If you want to hang out, sit. I was doing this heatless curl thing on TikTok. I don't know. If you want to see a tutorial, let me know. But there are so many on TikTok. So I just used a old t-shirt to wrap my hair in.
That hurts. Oh.
You okay? Obviously it looks ridiculous, but I just use some, what you doing, baby? I use some hair ties just to like lightly secure the bottom. I wrap it around so that it won't fall out, but I've been doing this all week. So at the very beginning of the week, I like curled my hair. My extensions are still in here and everything. I curled my hair one time with the curling iron. And then like this is probably the third night that I've slept with the heatless curls in. And I love it because I barely have to touch my hair. I might have to like fix up my bangs a little bit with the straightener, but that's it. Yes, and I am done for the day. And it's amazingly fast. And I feel like every time I do it, I'm getting a little better at it. So like I'll go in and fix, you'll see. We'll take out this side. Are you coloring on my grocery list? We gotta go to the store real quick after this. This is why I'm taking down my hair. Ella has a birthday party this morning. We gotta get a few things for. And I'm just out of a few regular home stuff. But I'm gonna be filming another like fashion TikTok when he goes down for a nap. She'll be at the birthday party and he'll be down for a nap. So I'll have a little bit of time for myself. Give me that. That's your sister's. All right, come on down before you fall. Oh, yeah. Oh, ah. Okay, we're just gonna wiggle this guy out because I gotta go to the store real quick. Come on. Honestly, I think today is the first day that I've had a problem with it getting stuck. Just for now, so I can run to the store. Where was this when I was in high school? Or even college? Or like not 30 years old? Are you joking? I would have saved my hair so much damage. I'm taking little lady to school this morning. If you want to come up front, that's fine. I'll turn my car off. Honestly, today, because I have 3 orders, I kind of got to rush, so I'm not going to be able to go item by item, but I'll probably show you guys the carriage afterwards. I completely forgot to film any of my ship shopping. It's fine. My brain is so jumbled right now. I just actually booked our flights for the movie premiere, which is almost a week away, like a week and a day away. My dress is supposed to be coming in, but like it's coming in like right before that weekend, and I feel like I'm cutting it so close. So this week is about finding like an alternative dress just in case, shoes, accessories, getting my nails fixed, waxing my brows, getting my feet done. Like they're all fun stuff. I'm not complaining. I'm just like I'm not a good planner. So when I know that I have a lot of stuff coming up, I just kind of start panicking. So okay, so I literally just called my daughter on the bus, but someone literally just tried taking my cat Arrow. And now Arrow followed, sorry, this sun is obnoxious. Just dropped Ella off down the street. Okay, we walked down. It's a little bit cold out, but I asked her, do you want to take the car or do you want to walk down? She wanted to walk down. 9 times out of 10, if we walk down to the bus stop, my cat Arrow loves following us. And I'm about to go back inside, right? And I hear somebody going, and I'm like, so Arrow is right near me and he's looking like I can't see where the noise is coming from, but he's acting skittish, right? And I'm like, okay. Like somebody's in my yard or something, okay? And there's this guy standing at my fence with a bowl of cat food. calling my cat over. My timer just went off. I said, are you looking for my cat? He's like, oh, he's like, a black and white one? He said, we're staying over at my parents' house right now, which is like one of my neighbors, and we have a white and black cat and it got out. And I bent down and I picked Arrow up like Simba, and I'm like, this cat? I'm like, this cat is my cat. His name is Arrow. Now, I mean, like, obviously he seemed really embarrassed and like apologetic and stuff, but now, like, I don't know this guy. Apparently, like, I don't know, I think again, my neighbors are his parents and they're like building a house or something, so I guess they're staying with them. But now I'm like, sir, this is the first time I've met you, and you've tried luring my cat home with you. Sir, I can barely get the cat to come home with me. Well, after that, whatever that was, we're gonna go do some ship shopping. I left Arrow inside. Can you imagine if I wasn't home? I mean, luckily, like, Arrow he's not a mean cat by any means, but like he knows that something is weird if a stranger is approaching him with food. He's not like a dog where, you know, I mean, obviously he's a cat, but he doesn't have the personality either of like a dog where they would approach a stranger maybe and like definitely take food that was offered to him. But like, cause he was like hiding with me up on the porch. Like, he was very skittish of this guy, which I was like, anyways, he's inside. We're gonna go do a quick Shipt order. Shipt has been really slow this week, really slow. I ended up getting a new job. It's at a restaurant, but it's like a breakfast and a lunch restaurant. I'm only going to be working there 2 days though. Ella is going to be joining an after school club, but starting next month. So I told them like my availability can be a little more open for the second half of the week. So I'm still going to be shifting 3 days out of the week, because I work Monday through Friday, so sometimes Sunday night too. But Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I'll do ship shopping, and then Monday and Tuesday I will stick with the new job. But yeah, I'm starting on Monday. Oh gosh, what's happening? I'm starting that on Monday. I'm starting orientation and everything. So I just need to make sure that I still fit in my non-slip shoes and make sure that I have some pants that don't have rips in them. My order is prepaid. We're doing lots of birthdays this week though. The orders that I have been getting, it's clothes. I hate shopping for clothes, but at least I only have one order. And so NB, we'll definitely do N first, get all the clothes out of the way, then we'll go to B. Oh, it's just N and B. Easy peasy. This is why I hate shopping for clothes. So they didn't have like specific sizes of the clothes. So she's like, oh, I'm just trying to put outfits together, so substitutions are fine, which is great. But I don't know if she's gonna want these substitutions or not. So it's kind of a guessing game. Bag. Which I think is this one. Did you hear that? I don't handle. Just refresh this page real quick. Oh, why are you guys so high up? I'm getting ready for my first class in this modeling and acting academy thing I'm taking. So I take this once a week for 2 hours for the next 6 months, basically. After that, I get a contract with the agency, and then I can go out and start doing jobs. So this is all about teaching, like preparing us for that. I'm nervous. The only thing that we need today is a pen and paper. So I have like Zoom signed up here. The class is pulled up. We're all set. I went out real quick. I got myself a new notebook specifically for this class. I tried to get a big one considering I'm taking 6 months worth of classes. I didn't know how much paper I would be going through. What I like about this notebook though is that it flips up as kind of like a notepad. And then I also grabbed some Paper Mate. These are special edition. They had this one special edition and then like a tropical special edition one. I got this one. I figured it had plenty enough colors. I'm nervous. I also have a regular pen here with just some black ink because I don't know. Assume that these are colored pens. So I have this little jar I used to use for makeup brushes. A brow pencil in there. Oh, there's a couple. I'll get them out later. We'll put those in there. I think we'll start with pink. I'm nervous. Pink is my favorite color. Maybe we'll make it a little easier. Okay, class is starting in 4 minutes, so I'm gonna get started and I will let you guys know how it goes, how I'm feeling. All right, I gotta get this set up real quick. I'm gonna do it on camera because I also have I don't know what to call her, not like my sponsor, but I have her phone number, this girl's phone number with the company if I run into any issues. Says connecting. I might be good to go. All right, before I forget to like update you guys, because I know once I go downstairs and I'm with the kids again, forget it. I'll forget to tell you guys all about today. So we did some catwalk poses today. We did some acting. We learned slate, had like a slate board, or they call it slates, or some people call them slate boards, that like the little action marker. How to like introduce ourselves on camera. So I have something to very small memorize for next week's class. But next week, I'm actually going to have to reschedule that class because next week is my premiere. And the class literally is like, it goes from 4:45 to 6:45. My premiere is down in Georgia and it starts at 7 p.m. And it has like the red carpet, the movie premiere, a Q&A after, and then I'm assuming an after party. So like I have so much traveling to do that day, so I'm gonna have to reschedule. But yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna go over everything, of course, but it was, you know, a 2-hour class. We talked, we laughed, it was great. But the cool thing is at the end, at the very end, she was explaining to me. And unfortunately, I was a little distracted at this time because my kids downstairs were making a lot of noise. So I was trying to listen to her. She was saying something about like at the end of each class, there'll be like a voting kind of thing where you vote on the people who are also in the class with you. And then I think like at the end, like toward our graduation, we like tally up any votes that we got throughout the thing. I forget every detail. But today, so we again did some acting, and so at the end of it, they asked us in the chat over Zoom to vote on our favorite actor from the class. At first, everyone was putting their favorite actor from like Hollywood. And then the teacher clarified, no, not Denzel Washington or Johnny Depp, whoever is actually in your class. And there ended up being a tie at the end of it. And yours truly, are you serious? Yours truly was like tied with the other guy. I think his name is Donovan. And he was really nice, and we congratulate everybody. But one quick thing, and I'm not gonna have that take away from my happiness at all, but I wish I was reading the chat more. Now the chat was kind of going off all throughout the lesson of people just talking kind of behind the scenes while the teacher was talking. I was trying to maintain professional. I was trying to treat it like if I was sitting in a classroom. I was back in college. I wouldn't be sitting there texting while the teacher is lecturing me on something that I'm genuinely trying to learn to benefit my career, So I was not really involved in the chat until the end of the class when the voting was beginning. And the coach for this lesson was asked the class to put in their chat their favorite actor. Everyone was first putting I saw my name at first while I was trying to think of my favorite actor currently. And I'm like, oh, that's funny. Someone put my name in the chat. And then I saw Denzel would pop up and Johnny Depp. So I thought I put my vote. And then the coach clarified, no, not Hollywood actor is your favorite actor in the class. And then, yeah, I kept seeing my name pop up a couple of times. I kept seeing the Donovan guy's name pop up a couple times. There was another girl's name that popped up. So when I was paying attention to the chat at the end, looking at it, I came across a message that said something along the line. I wish I screenshotted it. Actually, is this still? Oh, shoot. No, I don't have the meeting up anymore. I'm paraphrasing. The words are definitely not exact, but it said something like, wouldn't the vote for Shayna be biased then? And I saw that, and I tried to go back in the chat, I missed something, and I didn't see anything. And, I was trying to think, well, what does she mean by, it wasn't the coach, it was just one of the other females in the class. And I'm like, the only thing I could really think of that meaning is that somebody had put my name in the chat while everybody else was putting the Hollywood actor's name. And then when it was clarified, because my name was in the chat first, it would be bias. I don't know. I'm trying to figure it out. Let me know what you think down in the comment below, because I wish I had more information to go off of, but that was literally it. The coach was just explaining, we're voting on our favorite actor. Everybody accidentally started putting in Hollywood actors. They corrected it. That female made the comment about me for somehow being a biased vote if you vote for me, and I still ended up tying with the winner at the end. So I don't really know what that was about, but it was great. I'm gonna have to figure out next week and stuff, but I definitely won't end up vlogging every class. But if I'm learning cool stuff or something interesting to show you, or today where I won that little challenge, I guess, I'm gonna share it with you guys. And then in 6 months, so we'll be back in spring, I will be graduating and getting my contract. And I think she was also saying something, and I'm not trying to get myself too excited for anything, but when I think she was saying that when all this is over and your votes are added up at the end of it, so if you win a challenge like that or whatever a bunch of times, or they just add it up at the end, and then she said it basically means that I'm more marketable, which means I would get more movie deals and job offers and stuff like that. So and my end goal isn't to be Angelina Jolie. I don't need everybody knowing who I am. But I want to be able to make a career off of something in the performance, into acting, into modeling, into something like that. Even if they're small jobs here and there, I think it's a lot of fun and something I'm still pursuing. So I'll see you guys in the morning. I'm gonna go check on my kids.